Hey, Josh. Hi. What are you doing? You're going through the groceries? Yeah, it's April 16th, 2013. Josh is 1 year and 1 month. Plus a few days to spare. Uh-oh. And we discovered how awesome bubble paper is. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna pop that bubble. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. I hope this is recording. I believe it is. Hey, Josh, let me see how you're walking. Josh. Hey. Hey, cutie. Josh, come here. Come here. Josh. Didn't you say hold on? That's an awesome toy you got there, huh? Today, I changed his diaper, and he went number 2. And he took off without a diaper, which he does sometimes. But then he was laughing and playing with his new poopy that he made on the floor with his foot, and struggled when I went to clean him. That's a dirty boy. Come here, let's walk around. Josh, come here. Come here, buddy. Oh! Hey, come here. Yeah, play with the marker. Wow. Where are you going? Whoa. Josh. Hey. Hey. His favorite thing is to go through the DVDs. That's why there's always a mess right there.